Dollar index weekly chart, we have this triangle chart pattern. First price tested upper trend line, now again testing lower trend line. So you can see lower trend line has been tested total 5 times. It is a strong dynamic support level. So two red candlestick before trend line breakout. Gold instantly went up and many currency pairs were flying and people were saying Dixie is dying. So sentiment was super high before trend line breakout. So technically if you see first downtrend, counter trend correction chart pattern, again a downtrend. But this technical breakout to downside does not fit with macro. Because this can be first impulsive wave W, counter trend correction X, small degree AVC, which you can again say larger degree AVC, then flat AVC correction, wave V counter trend correction complete, and next impulsive wave C of larger degree, or you can say the wave Y, because that is your macro setup. It can take time, but bearish setup downside breakout does not fit with future macro. If lower trend line breakout, then that will be fake breakout. So in upcoming week, watch carefully. If next weekly candlestick show rejection again on this trend line and close again, if next weekly candlestick close above this white trend line, then you can say trend reversal have begun, and first upside target will be breakout of upper trend line, not retest, just breakout. For more clarity, you can see daily chart from this low to high, 50% correction almost complete. Technically low was not tested, 50% retracement, but support, and you saw rejection and no breakout. So this can be our possible AVC flat correction and your weekly trend line, total 3 retest, and next step breakout of upper trend line. So if price goes below 103 level, you can buy dollar. This entire area 50 to 61% retracement level, that means from 103 to 102 is buying zone. And once we get multiple blue candlestick, then you can expect trend reversal have begun. This week no big economic indicator, but all the economic indicator which came in past, especially that NFP number which show 4.1% UR. So you can say recession have begun in the past. Every time in recession dollar goes up. So either unemployment number increase or NFP number go towards zero. So in that condition, investor will dump everything and they will buy dollar. If you see euro dollar daily chart, then it's just inverted chart of Dixie. So we have this possible triangle chart pattern. Lower trend line already tested 3 times. Price goes up more, then you can expect retest of upper blue trend line. On retest you can sell, but before that there is one more trend line, and this can be your possible triangle chart pattern. So Friday closing is outside the trend line. If it is fake breakout, price goes down again, that's mean candlestick close again below this red trend line, then this is your possible triangle chart pattern. If you see GBPUSD daily chart up, counter trend correction up to 61% retracement, then up again. So on daily chart, this level is your first nearest resistance, that's mean near 1.31. If this level retest again, you can sell, and if you have old entry near this low, then you can take profit. You can see this is daily chart and how many blue candlestick, something like FOMO buying. Near current price you can see how many times price have shown rejection, about 28,484. Tested many times but no closing above this level. So this is monthly chart, monthly candlestick. Watch carefully on intraday if we see rejection or not. If this month candlestick close below this level, then you can say trend reversal have begun. And if you see USDCAD daily chart, then this area near 136, you can see how many times daily candlestick have shown rejection. So this is your big static horizontal support level. If dollar become bullish, and if support area hold, then this price can go up and you can trade with bullish bias, because this can be your ABC flat correction. So this 1.36 static horizontal support level is most important. So if price goes up, wait for triangle chart pattern correction or retracement, then you can trade with bullish bias, and upside target will be 138. Now if you see USD CHF daily chart, first of all we have this trend line already tested 3 times and static horizontal resistance .90. If both break out at the same time, then you can buy retracement or retest. Or if without breakout of these two levels, horizontal resistance and trend line, and make new low near 88, then you can buy. Bitcoin, I have made many free video on Fed June FOMC meeting. Watch that video or read minute PDF. Then they have given clear date for their QT monetary policy ending time. Before QE start, there will be big gap, big timing delay, we don't know. Before QE start again, you have to wait. Until that timing, Bitcoin can stay down. So this 72k area is your big resistance level. It can be our top, but as long as price trading below this area, it is your top. It can make counter trend correction, but after counter trend correction, it will go down again until Fed start QE again. Because from QT to QE, this is their last and most dangerous policy, and before this happens, there is always a economic hell and you have to wait. And there is a news that Trump will give a speech on big crypto event, but when politicians are bullish on something, it is always bearish. You have seen when this was going up all the time, Trump was pumping Bitcoin, but you can see now it is testing recent support. People are calling that will be biggest crypto event. So if he says something bullish, goes up, but that will be counter trend correction. US oil weekly chart, last time there was possible head and shoulder chart pattern, now that invalid. Now we have possible triangle chart pattern. So lower and upper trend line both tested 3 times, wait for breakout. If you see as recession, then this must break out to downside. But when I say dollar will become bullish, that means dollar index because of recession, UR rate will increase more and NIP number will collapse towards 0. Then this is race for reserve currency. Oil is also used as a currency. If OPEC do some magical thing, stop oil from collapsing because of upcoming recession, then it can break out to upside. That is first thing. Second thing is, if oil is down, why artificial pressure to save Biden election to control inflation. Same like Fed, now he is free to tight monetary policy to start recession. Same like that, all those forces who bring oil down to control inflation, now they are free to send oil wherever they want. So you have clear static resistance 82 and upper trend line both at same place, and triangle chart pattern shrinking. So range breakout is coming soon. But oil is highly political. Now silver weekly chart, in the past it goes down WXY wave, almost similar pattern, W counter trend correction X, up again wave Y. So wave X was ABCDE triangle chart pattern correction upside breakout, and wave Y projection 38%, that means 31.71. You can see not just but many weekly candlesticks are showing strong rejection at 38% projection. So this entire trend started near $18, WXY wave arc ending at 31.71. So if this area does not break out your 32 psychological level and 2400 in gold, then silver can go down again. But from this bottom to top, entire WXY wave are ending at 38% projection. If you see silver H4 chart, from this top to bottom, 78% retracement complete. Last time you saw big vertical dump from 50% retracement. This time you are seeing from 78. So more time price stay below this level 31.69. Bad for silver. And there is only one big support, psychological level $29. Now GDX daily chart, you can see Friday GDX is flying and making higher high, and gold did not break out the range about 2400, but GDX had made new high instantly after CPI news and again a new high on Friday. So you can say GDX is more overbought, more bullish than gold. If you see Barrick Gold, most favorite gold stock, then this area $16 big static horizontal support level, that's mean 2300 in gold. Now price is up again, almost there where it was in April month. So if price failed from here, then $16 is still big static horizontal support level. There is no support before that level. Now if you see SP 500 H4 chart, you have possible parallel channel, price testing upper trend line, 2 rejection recently, and if it goes down more, then retest of lower trend line will be next dynamic support level. You have seen when CPI number came, then monthly number was negative, and that is most dangerous thing for stock market, and immediately you saw vertical U-turn on that day. So if negative CPI goes from monthly to 1 year change, then that will be very dangerous thing. Dow Jones Industrial Average daily chart on Friday, you have all-time high 40,000 and people are mad, and this is your possible triple dynamic top, a trend line. If price failed from here, no support before 37k. In the end, USDJPY weekly chart possible ending diagonal chart pattern, total U-turn last week. First it was weak CPI number and news company are saying total $22 billion market intervention from BOJ. That pair took U-turn. I have said that thing in FOMC speech video and I have been saying that thing long time. When this pair took U-turn on CPI news, then again down on Friday, this was one of the biggest reason gold was up. Pure technical and dollar move, not gold buying. So you have clear technical setup. Now you have big blue channel and small white channel and rejection from upper line. If lower trend line breakout, then more confirmation of trend reversal. And for all the currency pair in upcoming week starting on Monday, watch carefully how price react to 103 dollar index daily chart. If it goes, but you have to watch carefully where candlestick closing come. If price close of 103, that's mean you can say bullish dollar is coming.